Hello everyone. Today is July 3rd and I came home from work and look what was waiting for me. It's time to get our box from My Creative Scrapbook and I'm so excited. So I opened the box, I dumped it out, and this is what we have. So I haven't yet peeked underneath the paper to take a look. So I thought I would share that moment with you. Already I can see some summer colors, summer themes coming out, so that's pretty much what I expect to see as far as everything else. We're going to be bright summer colors. That's my guess, but let's take a look. And here we go. Let's see what we've got. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous Prima flowers. As always get 3 packs. Always get 3 packs of flowers. It's never been 1 or 2 or 4. It's always 3 packs, which gives you so much. There's just so many flowers. I've not used them all yet. I have tons and tons of packs of flowers, which is awesome to use on other projects, and I use them on a variety of things all the time. So it's nice to have nice quality paper flowers, and Prima, of course, is one of the best brands. So I love those. Oh look, we've got some. Okay, these are cute little summer cards. These can be used just as additional layers, and just to add some interest. They've got pretty patterns. Let's see. Yep, that's cute. Apples. It says notes. What else? What have we got? Looks like there might be some sentiments on some of these. Fermented. The writing's so fancy I couldn't read it. It's fermented. You're perfect. Cute. Every day is a fresh start. That's nice. That one's plain. Orange, you glad? Cute. Okay. All right, those are cute. Let's see. Oh, and we always have a pack of ephemera. It looks like this one came with stickers that go with probably with the papers. Take a look. I like to kind of pull out the ephemera at the end, so we'll save that for just a minute. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, a stamp. Been a bear? Let's see, looks like a rose. Let's see, I'll take a better look. Let's take a better look. If I can. Oh, nice. I like that. Rose with leaves and some writing is a great background stamp. Alright, that's awesome. I like that. And some chipboard stickers. It has the fruit, the butterfly, and of course I'm sure all this goes with the papers. It's very nice. Okay, let's see. We've got Heidi Swap. Art screen. Art screen. Instructions on back. Good, because I'm not familiar with an art screen. So let's see. Place screen. Apply ink. Use scraper to pull ink. Peel off screen. Huh. That's a new product for me anyway. I've never used that before. Oh, yay. Well, sounds like a video. We'll have to play together. I'm not sure what to do. I'll just try to follow the directions and hopefully it will turn out. That's cool. I love new products. Okay. Friends glitter stickers. Got your alphabet so you can make your own sentiment. It's awesome. And now we're to the paper. I don't know why this part excites me so much, but it just does. So let's see. Lots of fruit. Very summery. Let's see what's... Now these sheets have, they're on front and back. Nice. That's a great background. I like that one. Excuse me. Isn't that pretty? Let's see, what's this collection? Fruit Paradise Collection. That's a good name for it. Lots of fruit. Let's see who makes this. Prima. These papers are from Prima. And Fruit Paradise Collection. Okay. There's some more. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love the pink. I'm not generally a huge pink person, but this is, I don't know, something about that I really like. Just that kind of the pale pink. It's beautiful. Oh, that's nice too. Now, I know we usually have a page where we get, again, kind of cards that you can cut out. I guess you can always fussy cut certain images as well. You don't have to use them as just the cards. But yeah, here's that one. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, I think that's just like one of these little ones. I think there was a little card that had that same design on it. Well, that's neat. Oh, it's right here. It's the only one I didn't pick up. Nice. Isn't that pretty? Oh, it's on the back of the cards. Okay. Here, I don't know if you can see. Yep, you can. Lots of gold infused into the design. We're still in the Fruit Paradise collection. Oh, I like that. I don't know, something about that I really like. Very nice. Ooh, lots of blingy. This is a very blingy page. Again with our fruit theme. What's on the back? Ah, pink. Pink checkers. Look. Oh, here's another one. Yeah, a lot of times you'll get duplicates, which is nice because, like, say you want to cut up all of these and use them. Well, what if you also like this side? Then what do? You'd have a choice to make. But fortunately, you get two. So, sorry, I already put it over here. So that way you can enjoy this side and then also be able to cut these up and use them. So that's really nice. So we have two of these as well. So we have the blingy side, but you may also want to use this side, maybe as a background. In the front. Depends. Do you want to cover the bling or do you want the bling to show? Very good. Let's see. And, oops. Oh, okay. So this is the second one. We've already seen this, right? That was in the beginning. Okay, so that's the second page of that one. And here's my 49 and Market papers. Oh, Pam always throws some 49 and Market in. I swear, just for me. It's not just for me, but I like to think it is. 49 and Market. Isn't that pretty? These are always my favorite pages. Love it, love it, love it. Let's see. 1049 and Market. View from above. And, oh no, I thought there was another page. Oh, I'm sad. Okay, well, just this once. Excuse me, just one in this package, in this kit. Usually there's two, sometimes three, but usually there's a couple of 49 and Market pages, but only one this month. But it's just gorgeous, and I love it. There's the back. Gray, as you know, I've talked about before, gray just comes in handy. You can use it with so many things. It's just a great background. Isn't that pretty? Whenever I cut my pages, I always trim off this piece and I save them. I've got just bunches of them. Just this one little piece. Because if you look at how gorgeous that print is. Isn't that pretty? It just makes a nice little detail. Sometimes you just need like just a little something. Maybe you're making a card. A lot of times I'll use these pieces to decorate the inside of my card. So when you open it up, there's just a little surprise trim on the inside of the card. And it just adds a little something extra. And they're great for that. But sometimes there's phrases and there's words that you can use, as sentiments even. So, look, isn't that pretty? Sometimes, if you're ripping paper, I like to do that. And also if you're putting something together that has just lots of different pieces of different papers, and it's sometimes all you need is just a little bit. It just might infuse just the right amount of color, or like I said, maybe a word or phrase. So definitely keep those. If you haven't been keeping these little strips, I encourage you to keep them because they do come in handy. But let's see, I think that's it. So gorgeous papers, bright, summery papers. And let's see, this art screen, which I am super excited about because like I said, I don't know anything about this. This is not a product I've tried. So Yay. Yay. Pam always puts together, you know, the latest items, the latest, what am I trying to say? You know, the products, there we go. The latest products. So, you know, you're always getting, you know, brand new items that have just come on the market. So, I mean, this type of, this idea may have been on the market a long time, but it's new to me. So I'm super excited. And we always have the letters, the sticker alphabet, and we do usually get a chipboard stickers. Those are really pretty. And our flowers. And this one came with its own little cards. As you saw, usually there's a page or two where you can cut up and like cut cards like this. But this one actually already came with some, which is nice. And they have the rounded edges too, so it's really nice. Oh, and a stamp. I should probably put that back so that I don't lose it. And I do want to open the ephemera. Let's see. Let me put that over here. Let's move this just for a second. I like to take a closer look. Just to see. Just to, you know. Okay, it's fighting me a little bit. Let's see. Okay. Grapes, flour, okay, lots of fruit, lemons, flour, strawberries, flowers, great fun summer little pieces, you know, little paper cutouts that you can use for your cards with the fruit. Oh, seed annual, Paris. Okay. Oh, there's that pretty pink flower I like. There's another one. All right. Nice. So again, it matches with the papers. And of course, with the overall theme of everything that's in the kit. Apples. Nice. Okay. Oh, what's that say? There we go. Oh, hold on. There was, well, that's it for the ephemera. There are also stickers. And again, you know, it has different shapes and different items and the fruit and everything that goes with this, you know, the papers and everything in the kit. So that's nice. It should match. Very nice. Don't worry, I know I ripped it. Usually all of these go into, I have my own little plastic bag that I put them in. That's just how I store them. So no worries there. There we go. All right. So this is the July limited edition kit for My Creative Scrapbook. So that's a peek inside in case you've ever wondered what comes in these kits. And I know My Creative Scrapbook, the website, there are, you know, a variety of choices, different prices, and you get different things. Some of them are very different. Like I think the excuse me, the regular kit will have completely different items than this. It's probably a whole different color scheme. I mean, they're very different. So take a look online, and again, it's not the only company that does these type of kits. There are several companies that do. So if you're interested, it is really cool to get a little package, and there's so much stuff here. I've never used anything. I've never used everything that came in a kit. So there's lots of products, and you can make many, many cards if you're a card maker, or lots of other projects. A lot of people use the 12 by 12 pages for layouts, which again is on my bucket list. I've not worked up the nerve to really do a full layout, so that's hopefully in my future. But anyway, so that's it for the unboxing, and I hope you liked what you saw. And I think I'll probably need to make a card. What do you think? All right. Well, that's it for this, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and liked what you saw. If you got any questions or comments, just leave them below, and I'll be glad to answer them if I can. And I'll leave a link in the description for My Creative Scrapbook in case you just want to pop in and take a look. And that's it. That's all for now. I hope you have a great 4th of July. Possibly by the time you see this, it will be after 4th of July. So I hope you had a great 4th of July. How's that? All right, guys, have a great day. I will talk to you later. Bye.